Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Build a Boat to Treasure. I won 2 times by friends. Now we're going to choose the armored boat. Of course, I'm not stupid and don't load me boat. I load this one. It's made from steel, coal, and even metal, and bricks, and these jets. Oh yeah, don't turn on the jets, or else it might. If you turn on the jets, the boat will just spin around and doesn't stop. Oh yeah, I got the harpoon. I called the lock the car to lock it. This is how you get top of the pole. And this is just the tip of the gold pole. Oh yeah, this is the captain's room that I designed myself. And did you know I designed this all myself? Okay, then let's start with that knowledge. First we need chair. Wait. 2 chairs in front of a cannon. Now let's save it. Oh, nice. Save. Load. Good. Load it faster. Faster, faster, faster. Where's my seat that I put? There you go. Sitting here. Yes. It's so heavy that two like the thingamajigs, like two driving the things cannot move this thing because it's too heavy and too much things on this. Boom. Yeah. Yeet. Boom. Boring, yes. Going treasure, yes. So where did I put that? Launch it into myself. Oh, it's moving. My arms are swinging to side to side. Release. Huh. Oh crap. Well, this is going bad. Last time, yeah, I made it to almost the end, but still die. Oh, thank you, there's no movie theater. Oh, why there's a bowling ball? Yeah. Boom. They're back, you foul demon. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. No, I took cannon. This is fine. Oh god. It's breaking everything. Wait, how's that still survive? Oh no. This is bad. Even the harpoon. Boom. And look, a remaining boat. Did I just see that died? Ah yes, the circus. Drop. People drop popcorn for accident. Oh. Come in. I'm taking the driver's room. Am I right? What was that? Oh. Ah. Hope I'm dying. Drive faster, 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 faster. Hey, my companion. And what the? Break through all this quickly. Hey, look, another one. Oh God. Yo. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh no. I'm dead. Come on, release, release. Release, you crippling depression thing. Release. Good. Now run. Dun 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 dun. No. My popcorn. No, my driver thing. Oh, this is going to be a blast. Hope I'm going to die from that tornado. But I don't have any keys. Why there's lightning in farms? I thought only tornado and tornado. Oh, yes, please stop. Oh, he died, he died. If I have no hair, let me in here. Oh yes, my helmet, my crippling depression helmet. Will save me. No, I don't want to active the jerks. It's going to go very, very wrong. Boom, 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 boom. Die. Come on, we're almost there. Stupid block. Go, make it. Go in. The boat is too big and too strong. Yes, I'm going to finally get one win with this boat. Yeah, I did 2 wins with this boat. I have a friend helping me. And this is the first time that I win with this boat. Whee! Oh God, the waterfall. Good thing I have this helmet seat. Crippling depression. Whee! Oh no, my hat. I mean my helmet. This is my first win winning with this boat. Instead of the other side thing. Come on, we're almost there. Boom, 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 boom. We're here, just slowly and surely. is it so slow all of a sudden? And I'm here at land. Ah, yes. No, my pole. My pole. And the treasure. Yes. Money. I mean gold. Oh my, that was so much. How about let's grab some people? Rolling time. No. Let's grab some people. Vroom. Dun dun dun. My victim is white. Look, he has the same skin as me. Nobody gets the same skin. Oh, hey, Mikey. How's it going? Hey, Mikey. Meow. Wait. Wait. Mikey, build something so you can sit. Wait. Don't sit. Got you now. Ha 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 ha. Take that, Mikey. Thinking that I'm going to do something. Nah, man, I'm gonna kill him. Come on. Let me join in your team so I can help you win with my armor boot. Oh, just let me in, just let me in. Fine, yellow team. Nothing. Blue team. Nothing. Red team, just moose. Come on, just let me in. I'll help you to get money. Can I join? Can I join your team? Sussy moose. No, why? You want? Stop. No, why? Please. Please, Sussy Moose. You look sus. Please. Okay, then he doesn't speak. Leave, 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 leave. How do I say fine? Fine. That's how I spell fine. Mem. Oh. Leave, 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 leave. Leave, 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 leave. HG. Scrubs. Oh, let's join another server, but not this time. This one, red and blue versus gun battle. 50 million visits. Woo! Ah, the charger port is not that long. Let's. They're gonna give you up. I know this copyrighted. So I'm blue team. Boom. Hey yo, what the? Surprise! What? This is a fight. I still died. My hand just touched it a little and then I still died. Like, arm pain, now die. Oof. Boom. Hey ha. I hit that guy. Did I? And he's dead. Ah. No, stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. We both have this same weapon. Ooh. Yeah, sure. Pigo boy. If you come any closer, I will kill you with my crossbow. Oh. I remember blue team is my team and I just killed my own team. I'm going in. Pew, pew, pew. And he's dead. Ow. Get him, boys, get him. Ooh. Ugh. Why did I get killed? What did I done to you? Wait, I killed that guy. Oh wait, I killed my own teammate. You sussy. Okay, he's dead. Boom. Boom. Ew. Thinking you're swag, eh? Well, just leave if you want to die. Da da da. Na na na. Na 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 na. Hey yo, what the? Stop killing everyone! Move out the way. Got it ready. We're being shot. I repeat, we're being shot. Yeah, take it. Keep firing, boys. Keep shooting! Oh, wait. That's a wiener. Hope I'm going to end this video here. Like and subscribe, or else your burger will be taken.